Here in front of me, I've got a couple of 164 motorcycles, including figure, and this is from the brand Moreart. Now, I already got a few of those in my collection, and I can tell you, these are really, really good. Let's start with this one here on the right side, and it also comes in a tin can. You see the logo of the brand, Moreart. This is the same brand as Time Micro. They make very cool diecast cars. Okay, you get a picture of the motorcycle with the figure. And this one is named Flame Motorcycle Girl. Please do not press, so don't do this. You see the foam. So very well protected. But the last time I received a motorcycle from Moreart, there was a broken piece, but it was easy to glue on. So don't get stressed when you get a motorcycle and something is broken, but it only happened once. And yeah, these are made out of plastic. So you have to be careful. But the details are really, really good. Keep telling it, the technique is getting better and better. 3D printing. Also, the paint is very well done. Fat tire in the back, I like that. I like the flames on the side. Yeah, this motorcycle is looking really good. Okay, now we're going to have a look at the figure. I'm going to put it right here. So here we got the girl. And you can see she even has eyes and lips. And what do we got here? That looks like... I don't think it says Harley Davidson. It's too small for me to read, but it might be possible. Could also be a motorcycle girl or something, but yeah, that looks really cool. So here you can see she sits on the motorbike, so let's do that later, because I also saw, let's take this out, we got something else here. I think this is something to put the motor on, so it will stay in a right position. I have no idea. This tire is supposed to be like this or something. Maybe you have to do it like this. I have no idea. But it might be possible. Okay, now let's see how it looks when the girl is on the motorbike. Yeah, I have to say that looks pretty awesome. Yeah, that is really well done. Maybe I can do it like this. Let's use... Ooh, yeah, nice. Okay, the face, well, there is improvement for that. And I know that the technique is already that far that you can get a very nice 164 face, because now it looks a little bit clowny. But overall, this is a fantastic model figure. Very good combination. Okay, let's go for the next one. Put this back here, so I know It is from this box. Put this one right here. Then we got Motorcycle Cool Girl. Same package. Got a barcode here. Unfortunately, Moreart Time Micro are not active on the social media like Instagram, Facebook, etc. I think they're not allowed to because of the rules in China. Okay, so this is more like a racing bike, a Honda. Let's do it like this, yeah. So again, very nice details for a 164. We need a license plate. Yeah, really well done. The exhaust. I mean, for a 164, these are small parts. Don't forget that. Very hard to paint. Okay, let's put it right here. See, it also has a standard, so also has a standard right here, so it won't fall. Yeah, then we're going to take this out. And there's always a little piece of gum in the box. You can use that for the figure, or you can use it for other figures in your collection. And again, I got this right here. So here we got the girl. I think the face is a lot better. Let's do the focus camera. A nice red hat. Nothing wrong with that. Cool boots. Helmet. Let's put her next to the motor. Okay, so this girl doesn't want to stand by herself. So what we do, take a little piece of gum, place it under her feet. Come on, don't stick to my hand. Oh, I have to show it on the camera. Place it under her feet. Hello. Place it under her feet. Okay, it's the best I can do. And then he won't fall. Can we zoom in a little bit? Yeah. Okay. And then last but not least, we got another racing bike. Pink Motorcycle Girl. Hello Kitty. Again, a tin can. Put the camera a little bit here to the back. Here we have the Hello Kitty motorcycle. So no standard on this one. So here we need that thing right here. I think you place it in here, or yeah. Okay, that will do. And she falls, of course. This surface doesn't work that well with the gum. Then we have the motorcycle girl. It is right here, and we can place her on the motorbike. Ah, that's cool. She wears a helmet, bikini top, nice pink shoes. Awesome. Okay, it should be. Let's look on the picture. Okay, it's supposed to be something like this. Yep. Very nice. Okay, here they are. Yeah, I like these motorcycles, and they look really good if you make a photo of a car and you place one next to it. It's very good for the photo. Okay, so let me know what you think of this. I will leave a link in the description of where to buy. I bought all these in the Moreart store on AliExpress. Don't forget, thumbs up, you really help me with that so I can make more diecast videos for you. Have a very nice day and I'll see you soon. Bye.